Ladies, having your own income is no longer an option, it is mandatory. And if you're solely relying on your 9 to 5 job, a man, a partner to fund your life, that's okay, but you want to be making your own money. And I've been making my own money ever since I graduated college back in 2018. And specifically, for this video, I made sure to study, to look at the different businesses, business ideas, income streams, online platforms that you ladies should be using to generate your own income and make money in 2025. And when I say I studied. So in this video, I'm going to share the different business ideas, the niches you want to be in, the platforms you want to use. Because the old side hustles and like the old business ideas that maybe you've been like pondering about or you've been watching on social media doesn't necessarily work in 2025. And of course, we want to make sure if we're making our own money, we are actually having fun and we're enjoying the process as we're doing it. So in this video, I'm going to share the top 5 business ideas and income streams every female needs to have in 2025. And the best part is you do not need any experience, okay? You can get started with $0 with zero skill set and start to make thousands of dollars every single month. So as always, here are the video chapters. I recommend going through the entire video and then going back and rewatching the section that you basically resonate the most with, the one that you're like interested, the one that kind of like opens up your eyes and you're like, ooh, that's kind of fascinating. So watch the whole video once and then go back and rewatch the section you're most interested in. So let's get started. Business idea and income stream number 1 is e-commerce entrepreneurship. Now, e-commerce is basically you selling a physical product on social media online where someone is getting in person through the mail. So this can be anything from t-shirts, this can be phone cases, this can be mugs, this can be physical books, journals, you name it, anything physical that you want to be selling to somebody. This is done by e-commerce. Now, typically you've probably heard e-commerce before, right? But in 2025, the niche and industry that I highly recommend females specifically focusing on is health and wellness. Now, health and wellness, that's always been a topic that a lot of people are interested in. But since it's the beginning of 2025, there's so many people that have written down for their New Year's goals and resolutions that they want to lose weight. They want to have more energy. They want to feel more confident. They want to be in the fittest body. They want to build muscle. They want to do all of those things. So for e-commerce, pick the niche health and wellness. Now, after doing my research, I actually have my notes over here. There's a list of popular product ideas that I already came up with for all of you that you can honestly just take and run with, okay? So some popular product ideas specifically in this niche for e-commerce is number 1, stress relief gummies. Okay, people are just stressed all the time. I'm sometimes stressed, anxiety, depression, all those things. So people love to try different like organic supplements. So if you can find an organic supplement or a supplier online that specifically focuses on like stress relief and in a form of a gummy, because who doesn't like eating candy? That could be a great product that you can sell. Collagen powder for skin, hair, and nails. That's a big one. Mushroom-based coffee or teas. This is like has to do with lion's mane. So if you've been on TikTok, actually, every other video that I come across is someone trying to sell me lion's mane because that's a very, very popular product right now. Resistant bands or portable workout gear. This can be diffusers with essential oil, plant-based protein powders, blue light blocking glasses, which I actually have over here. I did buy this from an e-commerce company years ago. And then even like acupuncture mats or massage rollers. So everything that I just listed out, what you can do is you can go to platforms like Alibaba, you can go to platforms like Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, Printify, and you can find suppliers that already have these products in stock, and all you have to do is set up your store. Once again, you can do it on Shopify. On Etsy is one of those places where it's very simple and easy to set up a shop, and then all you have to do is just start to promote your product online, start to promote it on the store, start to promote on social media, and drive traffic. And just from that, you can start making a few dollars here and there, and eventually when you find a product that's really popular, that can can pop off to start to make thousands of dollars. Number 2, this is near and dear to my heart, which is digital content creation, but specifically niched into personal finance, money, and wealth. Now, ladies, everybody wants to make more money. Everybody wants to save more money. Everybody wants to feel like they have financial control over their money. So if you have any knowledge when it comes to saving, when it comes to spending, when it comes to accounting, when it comes to making money, when it comes to investing, when it comes to do with anything money, you can create content online and get paid for it. So this can either be creating content specifically on social media platforms like YouTube, platforms like Instagram, like TikTok, or you can create your own digital product and put all of your skill set, all of your knowledge, and create your own product to sell on social media. So a few of the ones that I have written down here, this can be printable budgeting worksheets or planners. Okay, so if someone's trying to save money to go on like a vacation or buy a house or, spend money on a wedding, whatever that is, printable budget worksheets and planners, digital debt tracking spreadsheets, online workshops or mini courses on financial literacy. You guys know that I always preach doing master classes, workshops. People love that stuff, okay? Pre-made Canva templates for financial tracking. This can be even membership programs when it comes to learning about investments, even if you know the slightest, and I'm talking about small knowledge in one of these areas. There is somebody out there that has no knowledge on it, and they're willing to pay you money to learn how to make their money work for them. Affiliate marketing with tools and budgeting apps. So this can be like Mint. There's apps like Robinhood. Acorns is actually something I use. I completely forgot about that app because I just have it linked to my bank account. But apps like that, it's like you can partner with them and you can promote on social media and you can get kickback on the affiliate when somebody signs up. And some other platforms that you can monetize is YouTube. You can do it on Patreon, Gumroad. All of these platforms, they are designed to pay content creators, to pay people that have a specific skill set, and they want to use it to, of course, help a lot of people, but of course make a lot of money. So once again, the niche and industry of personal finance, money, and investing, that's honestly always a very, very, very big industry that people are always wanting to learn about. But if you specifically, you're watching this video and you already have knowledge in that industry, it is going to be 10 times easier for you to profit off of it. Business idea number 3 is print on demand, but specifically eco-friendly fashion and eco-friendly products. Everybody is freaking out because of global warming. They're freaking out because animals are dying. They're freaking out because sea life is like 50% gone already, and everybody wants to save the planet. So if you come out with a product, a brand, a line that focuses on products and clothing that specifically is biodegradable, eco-friendly, there is so much more meaning to the product that people are buying. People love that shit. Okay, so a list of products that you can create is organic cotton tote bags with minimalist design. So I always love to think about like what's kind of trending, what are people buying in like the summer season. People are always buying beach bags, so you can come out with your own tote bag that's biodegradable, that's eco-friendly. And once again, like what I talked about earlier, when it comes to e-commerce, you can find suppliers that already have these products, so you don't have to do anything. Okay, and what print on demand really means is you're only printing, quote unquote, when someone places an order. So companies like Printify, Printful, Custom Ink, these places, they are waiting for you to place an order with them, and then they'll specifically print on a specific t-shirt, mug, tote bag, and then they will ship it themselves to the customer. So you don't have to hold any inventory, which honestly is the best part. Before I ever got into like business coaching and digital marketing and content creation, that's actually what I started with, was print on demand. I did it one summer. I made a few $1,000s and it was actually a really, really, really good business. And some other product ideas is reusable stainless steel water bottles. That's a really good one. Biodegradable phone cases. This can even be like hoodies, toys. This can be recycled materials that you're using to like create yoga mats. Like if you are into saving the planet, if you're into holistic approaches, if you're into really being like mindful and wellness and health, like you can actually create an entire brand around this specific area and around this specific subject. And if you are doing like print on demand t-shirts, some platforms that you can use is Printful, Redbubble, Teespring, because once again, these specific companies, they already have products and t-shirts and hoodies that are already made with recycled material. So all you're really doing is taking their product and marketing on social media and making income from it. Business idea number 4, this never goes out of fashion because people always need more help, and this is being a virtual assistant. And specifically the niche, honestly, I've said this before, but I'm going to say it again, is social media management for businesses. There are so many businesses still trying to figure out social media. So if you're a social media gal and you love to create content, you know the ins and outs when it comes to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, all of the things, you can get paid. Like I've seen virtual assistants, freelancers get paid tens of thousands of dollars every single month to manage social media platforms for big businesses. And some of the services and products that you can offer for this is pre-made content calendars for Instagram and TikTok, custom Canva templates for small businesses, even like caption bundles, hook bundles when it comes to content, branding kits, lead generation tools, scheduling and analytics. I've seen so many people sell products that have to do with like Notion templates and scheduling, and they are making thousands of dollars just by selling that, right? So this kind of overlaps with like digital products, but specifically if you're being a virtual assistant, you're actually exchanging your time for money. So if you're somebody that does have more time and you already have the skill set, you can go to platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn. So you can actually post your profile on these specific platforms, and businesses and clients will actually reach out to you and be like, hey, I have this specific project. I'm looking for this specific person. Let's see if it's a good fit. So one of my good friends, she actually did freelancing and virtual assistance work, and she did it on Upwork. On Upwork, she has made over 6 figures just by simply making a portfolio, posting some listings, connecting with some companies, and now she's getting paid tens of thousands of dollars every single month. So once again, this is perfect also for you if you work a 9-to-5 job, you already have a really good skill set, and maybe you just don't like the 9-to-5 corporate environment, community, you don't like going to work, you don't like your coworkers, you don't like your boss, but you still like the work that you do. You can obviously do the same thing just at home, but post your profile on Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, and you can get virtual jobs. And business idea number 5, last but certainly not least, is online coaching and tutoring, and specifically in the niche when it comes to language, communication, and fluency. Okay, so people are always wanting to get better when it comes to communication. They're always wanting to learn a different language. So if you already know another language, you can be an online tutor, you can online coach, right? You guys already know that's how I made the majority of my money, is online coaching. So a few product ideas and services that you can create and sell on social media is you can even create like digital flashcards for common phrases that has to do with different languages. So let's say, for an example, someone is going to France for the entire summer and they want to learn some like French. You can create digital flashcards for common phrases and different words that are the most commonly used, like hello, goodbye, how are you, where is X, Y, and Z, all of those things. Beginner language courses. So if you're somebody who already knows a different language and you want to teach other people, you can create your own course on it. Live conversation practice sessions for fluency. This can even be, I just thought of it, but this can even be for singing. There is somebody on TikTok who she blew up because she teaches live singing lessons, but you can even do this virtually and you can get paid like $100 an hour just to teach someone how to sing, just to teach someone how to learn a different language, just to teach someone how to be a better communicator. This can also be ebooks for grammar, or cultural insights. This can be custom lesson plans for niche groups, even like language learning games. Okay, so if you're someone who is multifaceted when it comes to language and communication and conversation, you can create either your own product, or you can do online coaching and online sessions and teach people how to do the exact same thing. So different platforms that you can use to do this is Teachable, there's Udemy, you can even use Kajabi to set up like your own like platform, online coaching, or you can honestly just use Zoom to do Zoom sessions with people. And when I say all 5 of these different income streams, you don't need any money to get started. You don't need any like knowledge in terms of you like sitting down, trying to get a certificate type of thing. This is just based on your own prior experience. So ladies, if you have not started one of these businesses or you want an additional stream of income, get started on one of these. And if you haven't watched the video on how I made my first $10,000 in one single month, I broke it down in this video. I love you guys so much. And until next time, make sure that you stay unforgettable.